How to create NFT CryptoPunks. Click on the new file. Choose 32 by 32, 72 resolution and transparent background. Then press create. Hold Ctrl and press 0 to fit the image to the screen. From the toolbar, choose pencil with a black color. Also add the size to 1 pixel. Draw the CryptoPunk with the details you want. Choose paint bucket tool, select a color for the skin and color the skin. Use pencil and paint the darkness around the eyes. Again, select the color for the hair. Draw the hair as you want. Let's add a solid color for the background. Select the color and press OK. Drag it under the CryptoPunk layer. Now let's make the photo size bigger. Go to image and image size. Change the width and the height to 1080 by 1080. Choose nearest neighbor art edge, then just press OK and you're done.